This is the Hayes Realty Real Estate Podcast. Hayes Realty is a team of former Big Five banking foreclosure specialists committed to helping homeowners win in the real estate market. Their knowledge of the foreclosure banking industry, combined with their deep understanding of the Southern California real estate market, have enabled them to meet the needs of many homeowners facing foreclosure. Here's the host of your show, Emmett Hayes.
What's going on, everybody? This is Emmett Hayes with the Hayes Realty Real Estate Podcast. Thanks for tuning in another week with us. This week, I wanted to talk about the foreclosure moratorium. It's almost over. So what are homeowners who are in a forbearance program or still facing foreclosure to do? It's about approximately 2.1 million homeowners that are still in forbearance programs that actually suspend their mortgage payments. And there are about 1.8 million homeowners who are not in forbearance programs, but are already 90 days late paying their mortgage as of April. For now, many of the current homeowners are protected from eviction because of the foreclosure moratorium. However, June 30th, that foreclosure moratorium is up. What's going to happen? Also, many of the forbearance programs are going to lapse in the fall. That means they're going to have to start making their payments again. Could be lump sums due because of the pushback on not paying the mortgages. What are homeowners going to do? As of right now, Wells Fargo said that they're going to extend their moratorium on loans they own through the end of the year. Key word is that they own. So if you did a loan through Wells Fargo, I would suggest you checking with the servicer. The servicer is the company that sends you your mortgage statement each month. I would check with the servicer and verify if Wells Fargo still owns your loan or not. A lot of times they package loans up and sell them on the secondary market. So you got to verify that Wells Fargo still owns your loan. Because if not, then June 30th is coming and that moratorium is going to be up. And now here is a quick word from our sponsors.
If you are a health professional struggling to make sense of the recent job uncertainties within our nation, maybe you're frustrated with pay cuts, extended shifts, or lacking the willpower to take on more responsibilities. Join us for License to Live, the conference, on July 16th and 17th at the Philadelphia Marriott Old City. If you are seeking enlightenment in these dark times, join us for conversations of hope, inspiration, and motivation to ignite your career into the passion you desire. Listen to a full panel of talented, award-winning, and prestigious speakers full of the advice, knowledge, and insight you need to push through these difficult times. Hosted by award-winning author, speaker, and career coach, Dr. Jarrett Patton, Licensed to Live, the conference is a kickstart for anyone in need of a reboot or refresh at any stage in their career. Get your ticket today at licensed2live.com. That's LICENSEDTOLIVE.com.
Something smells good. EH3 coffee. EH3 coffee. Premium organic. Nothing better than waking up. EH3 in your cup. Premium organic. EH3 coffee. Nothing better than in the middle of your day. EH3 coffee. Premium organic. EH3 coffee. EH3 coffee.
Order your bag of EH3 Coffee at eh3coffee.com, or you can find us at walmart.com.
This is Dr. Jarrett Patton. You are listening to the Hayes Realty Real Estate Podcast.
Other Big Five banks like Chase and Bank of America, they've remained quiet on whether or not they're going to extend the moratorium through the end of the year. So what does that mean? It means that homeowners need to start putting a plan together so that they don't fall into the foreclosure mess. The moratorium was put in place because everybody was told to stay at home. Now things are picking back up. People are starting to work again. That moratorium is going to be removed. Mortgage payments are going to be due. Can't push them back anymore coming up. So you have to put a plan together. And sometimes you come to the cold realization that you may not be able to afford that house no more. But that's okay, because you'll just sell that house and start over. It's okay to start over. The main thing is getting back in a position where you can pay all your bills and be able to stack up money each month. One other thing you can do is check with the bank and see if they'll do a permanent loan modification on your current mortgage. That means they'll renegotiate the terms of your loan and tack all the late payments onto the back end and basically make your loan current again. Now, as long as the payment works for you and it's not above what you could afford, then that is also an option. But you must know that now is the time to start putting a plan together. Don't procrastinate. Don't push it back. It's always better to have a plan, A, B, and C, so you can work them all. Do you need any help with any real estate needs? Maybe you need to sell a home, or maybe you're looking to buy a home, or maybe you're going through foreclosure and need help in navigating through that. Reach out to Hayes Realty for all things real estate. Give us a call at 1-800-217-0034. We got you.